Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets experience, and we dive deep into the tech that's shaping our digital lives. If you're someone who values not just smart tech, but smart design, intelligent features, and a true blend of style and substance, then you're in for a treat. Because today, we're reviewing something that's not just a smartwatch, it's Samsung's boldest, smartest, and most health-conscious wearable to date. Yes, I'm talking about the Galaxy Watch 8. With every new generation, Samsung has inched closer to bridging the gap between fitness-focused wearables and full-fledged smart devices. But with the Galaxy Watch 8, they've not just taken a step forward, they've leaped. From upgraded hardware to advanced wellness tools, and a stunning new design philosophy. The Galaxy Watch 8 is looking to be more than just a sidekick to your smartphone. It wants to be the centerpiece of your digital lifestyle. Let's begin with the first thing that hits you the moment you unbox it: the design. The Galaxy Watch 8 carries forward the familiar circular aesthetic that Samsung has been perfecting for years. But this time, the attention to detail is unmatched. The build quality is premium. We're talking aerospace-grade titanium on the Pro model, and reinforced aluminum or stainless steel on the standard variant. There's a new sapphire crystal display that feels incredibly robust and scratch-resistant. The bezels are slimmer. The screen is larger, a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display that's bright, vivid, and crisp even in direct sunlight. Whether you're outside running under a hot summer sky or checking notifications at a coffee shop, readability is top-notch. And speaking of screens, the Galaxy Watch 8 supports always-on display functionality. Now with smarter dimming features to save battery life. The refresh rate has also been subtly improved, making interactions feel more fluid and responsive. You swipe, it glides. You scroll through notifications or apps, and it feels effortless. One of the most talked about upgrades with the Galaxy Watch 8 is its new custom Exynos W1000 chipset, built on a more efficient 3nm process. It brings noticeable improvements to both performance and power management. Apps open faster, animations are smoother, and multitasking is less laggy. This means switching between Spotify, Maps, Health Stats, and third-party apps feels snappier than ever. Pair that with 2 GB of RAM and up to 32 GB of onboard storage, and you've got a smartwatch that handles just about everything you throw at it with ease. Battery life has always been a concern for smartwatch users, and Samsung knows it. The Galaxy Watch 8 brings solid improvements on that front. The regular model gives you about 2 full days of usage with moderate activity and notifications. If you toggle off the always-on display and minimize GPS usage, you can squeeze out closer to 3. The Galaxy Watch 8 Pro, however, is a battery monster. You can easily hit the 3 to 4 day mark without feeling anxious about charging, especially if you're in power-saving mode. Fast charging support is also back and better. You can get up to 45% charge in just 30 minutes, which is perfect for those rushed mornings. Now, let's talk about the real reason people buy these smartwatches: health and fitness. And wow, Samsung really went all in this year. The Galaxy Watch 8 introduces a brand new multi-sensor bioactive sensor 2.0, which offers better accuracy across the board. Heart rate tracking is faster and more consistent, even during intense workouts. Sleep tracking has improved significantly, too. The watch now uses a more intelligent sleep algorithm that factors in not just movement and heart rate, but also temperature, blood oxygen variation, and even your phone's usage data to deliver a more accurate sleep report. You get advanced sleep coaching, snore detection, personalized insights, and even smart suggestions to improve your bedtime routine. It's not just about logging your sleep. It's about understanding it and optimizing it. The Watch 8 is also pushing new boundaries with its skin temperature sensor. Initially introduced in earlier models but refined here, this sensor now works passively in the background and provides useful insights related to menstrual cycle tracking, illness detection, and recovery states after workouts. It's subtle but smartly integrated. The ECG and blood pressure monitoring features return, but with enhanced accuracy. They've also improved the guided breathing sessions, stress tracking, and hydration reminders. It's like having a digital wellness coach on your wrist 24/7. For athletes and active users, Samsung has made big strides with exercise detection and fitness tracking. The Galaxy Watch 8 supports over 100 workout modes, but it's the automatic workout detection that really impresses. Start walking, running, cycling, or swimming, and the watch automatically kicks into gear. New activities like paddleboarding, hiking, and functional strength training are supported too. And for runners, there's advanced VO2 max analysis, running, dynamics, heart zone, guidance, and even AI-powered coaching. If you're into hiking or trail running, the Pro version adds even more with built-in topographical maps, turn-by-turn navigation, and offline GPX route syncing. You can import your trail routes and follow them right from the watch, no phone needed. That's huge for serious outdoor enthusiasts. The Galaxy Watch 8 also shines on the connectivity front. ELT models give you independence from your phone. Take calls, stream music, receive notifications, or use apps while out for a jog or at the gym. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures faster and more stable connections. And Wi-Fi performance has improved thanks to a smarter antenna layout. You also get support for Galaxy ecosystem features like SmartThings integration, camera, shutter control, and Samsung Wallet, tap to pay, unlock your Samsung phone, or control your smart home from your wrist. With Wear OS 5 and One UI Watch 6 on board, the user interface feels intuitive, fast, and easy to navigate. It blends the best of Google's ecosystem with Samsung's design sensibilities. You can now download more apps via the Google Play Store, including favorites like Strava, Spotify, Komoot, WhatsApp, and even YouTube Music. Voice assistants. You've got both Google Assistant and Bixby. Google Assistant is still the go-to for most, and it's fast, accurate, and finally feels native. Customization is also key, and the Galaxy Watch 8 doesn't disappoint. There are dozens of new watch faces, and each one is more informative and interactive than the last. You can customize widgets, complications, and shortcuts with just a few taps. And of course, interchangeable bands make it easy to switch from a sporty look to something more elegant. The Watch 8 also improves its durability rating. You get IP68, water and dust resistance, 5 ATM water resistance, and Millis TD810H military-grade toughness. That means it can handle rough terrain, water immersion, cold temperatures, drops, the whole 9 yards. Whether you're trail running in the Rockies or surfing in Malibu, this watch can take the beating. Another clever addition: a new emergency SOS system and fall detection upgrade. The Galaxy Watch 8 can now auto-alert emergency contacts if it detects a fall or senses unusual inactivity. It can even call emergency services directly on LTE models. This makes it a useful safety device for older adults or users with medical conditions. Now, let's touch on the audio. Samsung has improved the built-in speaker and mic setup. Phone calls are clearer, voice assistant feedback is crisper, and you can now even use the watch as a mini voice recorder. As for software updates, Samsung promises longer-term support with security patches and feature upgrades, something users have been demanding for years. That makes the Galaxy Watch 8 a smarter investment in the long run. Let's be honest, though it's not all perfect. The Galaxy Watch 8 doesn't support iPhones anymore, so if you're part of Apple's ecosystem, this might not be your best pick. Also, some health features like blood pressure monitoring and ECG still require regional regulatory approval, which means they're not available in every country, including some US states. That being said, in the Android world, especially for Galaxy phone users, this is arguably the best smartwatch experience you can get. It's smarter, stronger, faster, and better looking than ever. And it does all this while being more health-focused and power-efficient. Whether you're a fitness freak, a casual runner, a productivity junkie, or just someone who loves tech, the Galaxy Watch 8 adapts to your lifestyle. At the end of the day, the Galaxy Watch 8 isn't just about features, it's about how seamlessly it blends into your daily routine. It encourages a healthier lifestyle, keeps you connected, and looks great doing it. So, should you upgrade? If you're on a Galaxy Watch 6 or earlier, yes, the improvements are meaningful. If you're using a Watch 7, it depends on how much you value better battery life, improved sensors, and more refined design. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Vibe, where we bring you deep dives into the tech that truly matters. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay smart, stay fit, and keep living the vibe, the tech vibe.